Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we bring you honest and in-depth beauty product reviews. Today, we're diving into something truly luxurious, the PEVONIA Myoxy-Caviar Luxurious Gift Box. This 4-step anti-aging regimen promises to target those fine lines, wrinkles, and sagging skin, providing a smoother, firmer complexion. If you're looking for a skincare routine that might help turn back the clock, stay tuned as we break down this high-end offering. The PEVONIA Myoxy-Caviar Luxurious Gift Box is designed with mature and dry skin in mind. It features a luxurious cream formulation that's packed with ingredients to address the signs of aging. The gift box contains 4 key products: a cleanser, toner, serum, and moisturizer, all formulated with the brand's signature Myoxy-Caviar complex. This collection is designed to rejuvenate the skin, restoring its elasticity and giving it a youthful, glowing appearance. The star ingredient here is, of course, caviar, known for its nourishing and revitalizing properties. I've spent a couple of weeks testing this regimen, incorporating it into my daily routine. The cleanser is gentle yet effective, offering a deep cleanse without stripping my skin of moisture. It leaves the skin feeling refreshed and prepped for the next steps. The toner is hydrating, not too astringent, and preps the skin for serum application. Now, the serum is where things get really interesting. It's rich but absorbs quickly, leaving no greasy residue. I found it to have a luxurious feel while still being lightweight enough for daytime use. Finally, the moisturizer has a thick, emollient texture but doesn't feel heavy. It's perfect for my dry skin, leaving it feeling smooth and plumped. What impressed me the most is how my skin felt after a few uses, noticeably firmer and smoother. The fine lines around my eyes and mouth seemed softened, and my complexion looked more radiant. That said, this regimen is definitely on the pricier side, and for some, the cost might not be justifiable if you're looking for more affordable anti-aging solutions. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the product delivers visible results, especially in terms of hydration, firmness, and smoothing the appearance of fine lines. The packaging is beautiful and feels high-end, perfect for gifting. The fragrance is subtle and doesn't overpower, which is a plus for those with sensitive skin. However, the cons include the hefty price tag, which might not be for everyone, especially if you're on a budget. Also, while it does provide great hydration, it may not be the best option for oily skin types due to its richness. When we consider value for money, it's important to weigh the high-quality ingredients and the brand's reputation for effective formulations. The PEVONIA Myoxy-Caviar Luxurious Gift Box does offer a premium experience, but its price might not suit all budgets. If you're looking for something that delivers similar benefits at a lower price point, there are other brands out there with anti-aging products featuring retinol or peptides that might suit your needs. In terms of build quality, the packaging is definitely a standout. The luxurious box and elegant jars feel like a real treat. The products are neatly presented, making this a perfect gift for anyone who loves high-end skincare. As for longevity, I've used the products consistently for a couple of weeks, and I've only used a small amount each time, so I anticipate this set lasting for a decent period of time. There's no immediate wear and tear on the packaging, and the formula feels fresh with every use. If you've had any experience with this product, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and let me know how it worked for you. Is this review helpful to you? If so, don't forget to give us a like, subscribe to Beautyistic, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep bringing you honest, expert reviews like this. Thanks so much for watching today's review. Don't forget to check the description box for the link to purchase the PEVONIA Myoxy-Caviar Luxurious Gift Box. And if you've already tried it, share your experience in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.